Hey, everybody! Welcome, friends, to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how to set a timer on the Instagram app camera. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under this video and also write your comments. So, let us be with you, dear friends. Let us get down to our topic today. And first of all, please open up Instagram on your device. After which, please proceed to create a story. And now, friends, you will need to go to the Reel Shoot or Reel section. Because in the Instagram app, the option that is responsible for the timer is only available in Reel. Now at the top in the middle, please click on the clock sign. Next, you'll see this kind of slider where you'll need to, friends, choose the duration of the video itself. You can decrease it or increase it. Also, click here to choose how long your video will start, or 3 seconds or 10 seconds. Now click Add Timer, and now click on the Record button. And then you'll see that you'll get a 3 or 10-second report and the video will start recording. When the video is over, it will either turn off on its own or you can just stop it yourself. And then you can edit it, set it up, and so on. This is the way, dear friends, you can use and set the timer on the camera in Instagram. I hope this video has helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put likes, and write comments, definitely yours. Take care, friends.